With each SolarVu portal, analyzer diagnostic features are enabled and accessible on a per-site basis based on what is installed on-site. From Enterprise, you can navigate to a site directly on the same list view you can see health status on. Once in a portal, you can open Analyzer to see the available tools on that site. First, the inverter status screen. Here you'll find detailed information about each inverter, including DC input and AC output, power generation data, current inverter status, and data last updated time, indicating when the inverter last responded to a request for updated information. Use the equipment log to view a list of all on-site equipment with a summary of their health and energy generation status. Clicking the log button next to any equipment entry will take you to an equipment detail screen. You can select log snapshots of individual times or view daily energy graphs for that device. Now let's take a look at PowerWatch. Here we see a graphical comparison of energy generation from every inverter on the site, normalized to their kilowatt peak AC size. PowerWatch will detect and create an alarm for when one or more inverters sustain a substantial production deviation compared to the best performing inverter. This picks up on inverter level production issues, while the inverter may register as healthy. A substantial production deviation is configurable on a site's setup panel. Next, let's switch to the Analyzer Communication panel. This section provides visibility into the current and internet connectivity history of the Cachelan gateway successfully talking to our servers. A reliable internet connection and power with healthy communication equipment is important for your SolarVu portal to display the real-time status of your site. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly by phone. Thanks for watching!